Alright everyone, welcome back to FixZone. Today, we're diving into a super useful Mac feature, Picture-in-Picture mode. It lets you watch videos while doing other things, so let's jump right in. First things first, you need a video playing. I'm using YouTube in my browser right now, but this works with Netflix, Apple TV, pretty much any app with video playback. Now to get to Picture-in-Picture, there are two easy ways. The first way is to double-right, click on the video itself. This pops up a menu, and you'll see the Picture-in-Picture option. The second way? Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then double-left click on the video. Boom! Same menu appears. Once you see that menu, just click Picture-in-Picture. And just like that, the video pops out and floats on your desktop. The cool thing is, this little video window stays on top of everything. You can drag it anywhere on your screen, even partially off-screen if you want. And if you grab one of the corners, you can resize it to your liking. Alright, so you're done with Picture-in-Picture and want the video back in its original spot? Just click the Back to Tab button right there in the floating video window. Poof, it's back in your browser. And that's all there is to it. That's how you use Picture-in-Picture mode on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more Mac tips and tricks. See you in the next one.